So I'm Glyza Galura. I took Intro to Music Production, Ableton, and Music Composition. What better way to study music than to see your favorite band or artist on big screen and just discuss how they did the song, how they were able to come up with this idea, getting all those informations to build something that you can call your own.
Hey, what's up? My name is Keish, and I've been taking the singing class here at Point Blank in LA. It's been great. I really like it. I've never sang before in front of anybody because I've always been horrified to do it, but I decided to give this a chance, and it's really helped me get out of my comfort zone and feel more confident about singing in front of people. It's a small class, which I really enjoy because I can get some personal attention and really work on trying to refine this craft.
Hello everyone, I'm Alexandra Bird. I'm a singer, songwriter, and hopefully a featured DJ. I've heard about Point Blank Music School a few years ago when I've seen a Google Hangout with Armin van Buren and a person from Point Blank Music School. And I said, oh my God, I would love to study in a place where I could learn more about music production, singing, songwriting, and DJing as well. Coming here and not knowing anything regarding DJing, I was, oh my God, I feel overwhelmed. Now I can do it, and I feel really grateful for all my moments here. I want to thank you to my tutors and hope you'll be proud of me.
Hi, it's Playa. 4 months ago, I decided I wanted to try something completely new and different, so I enrolled in Point Blank LA's Complete DJ program. A few months later, I have a craft that I'm very passionate about, and I've even had my first gig. I recommend the DJ program to anyone who wants to have a good time and who loves music.
I always tell this to my friends, like coming to London, studying music, and choosing Point Blank. This is the best decision, and I think I've made a perfect choice.